Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to cancel subscription on Google Play. In order to do this, you can get on your Android device, locate your Play Store app and tap on it. Once your Play Store is open, you're going to go over to the top right corner where you can tap on your profile icon. Once you tap on your profile icon, you see some options. Among the options, you want to tap on payments and subscriptions. Once you tap on it, you have payment methods, purchase verifications, subscriptions, and that's what we want to tap on. So tap on subscriptions, and this is a page of all your subscriptions that are active and not active. So in order to cancel a subscription on Google Play, and you're right here, you just simply need to tap on the app you'd like to cancel your subscription, and then you have the option right here to cancel. In this case, this app is currently inactive and that's why we have resubscribe. But in your case, once you choose an active app which is on a subscription, you'll see the option to cancel subscription. Do let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.